All right, pull up the stock of Tech Mahindra for you, up about down, in fact looking a bit subdued, off about 0.5% and more in today's trade. But of course we are picking up that they are looking at newer business models to work with. The stock is off about 1%, and really as telecom players battle it out to maintain profits and increase revenues, their IT vendors are looking at new models of delivery. Tech Mahindra of course is a leading player in the telecom domain and is now looking to focus on network services management for higher margins. Let's go across to Shushmita Mohapatra for more on that. Shushmita, what's the game plan from here on? Have they already got big orders in this space?
Well, yes, Shivani, we understand that 15% of their revenue is actually coming from network services management, and going ahead they're extremely bullish on this sector. Now, why is that? That's primarily because as international and Indian telecom companies start expanding in emerging markets, they would like to maximize profits and save costs, and this is the area, network services, where Tech Mahindra expects more orders to come in as this plays out for these telecom companies. Now, we spoke to analysts and they told us the reason why telecom players such as Tech Mahindra, the IT services player Tech Mahindra is so bullish on this is because it's a high margin business. It's of course a 48 billion global market that Tech Mahindra is now looking at, and players such as Ericsson and Nokia have been key players in this network services arena, and this is where Tech Mahindra hopes to make significant inroads into going ahead. Now let's listen into what Mr. Raju Vadalkar told us about this sector and its growth opportunity.
On the network side, the industry has woken up a little bit late on the outsourcing possibilities, but it has definitely started, and India was actually leading in that area. But network outsourcing is given now in different areas, of course. So what telcos are looking for is focusing on their core competence of customer acquisition, customer retention, and overall ownership of customers. Right? And earlier the understanding was network forms a core part of telco's operations, but that slowly they are moving away from that. So now they are understanding that customer is a core part of their operations and not the network.
All right, thanks Shushmita for getting us that story. Now news just coming in, the Asian Development Bank